Hello again. I'm gonna install the power supply now. As you can see, I've flipped the sticker so that's facing the other way, so it looks better. However, I may have damaged the sticker a bit, but that's okay. So just gently pushing it in there onto the correct position, as you can see. Just line up the screws, one there, 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 and there. So need to open the zip tie pack, including the one with the screws. Okay. Got my multi-tool. Okay. Screwing in, pretty easy. First screw done. Into the second one. Going for the top right one now. I'll show you in a second. Just like that. There's one. There's two. Just want to say thank you to Mike's Unboxing. Go check his channel out, subscribe to him, and yeah, thank you to CM Knight as well for supporting me and helping me a lot. And check out the Discord, Mike's Unboxing. Go to his channel, and there should be a link to join it. Just click on one of the videos and join. It's a really good Discord server, and if you don't know a lot about PCs and you want to get into PC building, that is the place to do it. So I've installed the power supply. One screw there, one screw there, one screw there, one screw there. Looks really nice. Fits the build. Having the Corsair case and Corsair white fans, and hopefully, yeah, I'm gonna route the 24 pin through there when I have all the rest of the parts in, when I can have them, hopefully my birthday. And I'm gonna, this bit's popped out again. Oh well. But yeah, I really like this Corsair power supply as well. And thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. This is part 2. Thank you.